You guys, look what we found. Golden eagle eating a snake. Look at that. Dude, they're huge. I know the camera probably is not doing it justice because he's way up at the top of the telephone pole. Look at, dude, golden eagle, guys. Man, look at that. Beautiful. Right there, stunning. He had his whole side profile. Oh. Come on, lift up the snake so we can see what you got. Look at that. Wow. Ah, there's something on my leg. Lift it up so we can see it.
He's getting ready to take off.
Oh no, he's gonna fly off. I figured he would. Oh, look at that! No way!
That's cool. There you go.
No way!
Dang.
Oh shoot!
He just transferred it from his beak to his feet. To his
Man!
talons.
Crazy! Where's he going? Oh man! I see him. He's gonna go land on the trees back there. Oh, he's going way in the back. We got too close for comfort for him. That was awesome. Awesome, awesome. He's going way in the back. But how cool was that, you guys? He was up on the telephone pole. Oh, I see him landing in a tree out there. He's way out there. Heck yeah, that was awesome.